Lovable just dropped Lovable Cloud, and this changed everything. No more messy with third-party backends like Supabase. Now you can create it in just a single click right inside the Lovable. And now it's so simple. Even a 10-year-old child can create a full software by just describing what you want without writing a single line of code. And Lovable prove it. In this video, I will break down the new updates, show you how the one-click backend works, and finally, we will try to rebuild Lovable itself and make it clone. Let's see if we can do it or not. So let's begin. If you go lovable.dev, you can see this interface where he introducing the Lovable Cloud. We just want to click here and you can read all of the updates Lovable did in the Lovable Clouds. So I will explain you everything. The first thing is 7 days build challenge. I will talk you it in later. It have mystery gifts for you. So make sure you participate in this 7 days build challenge so you get any mystery prizes from Lovable. And this is not a sponsor video, I want to tell you. So first of all, in the Lovable Cloud, the backend is already integrated. You don't want to integrate it yourself. Lovable create the backend for us. We don't want to go in the messy and the complicated stuff and technical stuff of backends. So it will save our data files and everything what we write here. If we upload any image and all of the thing will be saved in our store, which is Lovable Cloud. Also manage our user signups, login and all of the thing. Whenever we go on a software, we want to log in using your email and password, that will save inside the Lovable Cloud. We don't want to go in the third-party backends. And Lovable do it itself, and that's why it's safe for us. Also, Lovable AI is default power with Google. Now you don't want to integrate Gemini API and everything. You just want to describe what you want and all it's done. You can use Google Gemini API for free until 6 October. So definitely try it out. Also, you just want to describe what you want. You don't want the complex management of API keys and the API key billing section. You don't want to worry about that. The Lovable do it itself. You just want to create an application and post it. And Lovable prove it that a 10-year-old can create an application. You can see here, this is a 10-year-old child and he create a complete software by just describing what you want. Like here, he is typing on this MacBook and create a software for his math problem. So that's amazing how a 10-year-old can create an entire software for us. Also, you have a chance to win mystery prizes from Lovable. If you just go here, you will see join the 7 days Lovable build challenge, where Lovable give us a task to create anything using Lovable, and we just want to create something creative using that and upload it. And we just want to create something amazing using Lovable and upload it. So our day 3 task is we want to create or rebuild Lovable or ChatGPT, anything what you want, with Claude plus AI. So that's the thing, and we are going to clone Lovable itself today. So let's see if we can do it or not. That's the update of Lovable for today. And now we are going to create Lovable itself. So let's begin. First of all, I take few screenshot of Lovable interface so we can copy it ditto same. Let's see it can create that software for us or not. I just select few images and now we want to clone it. Okay, I spent more than half hour and write a full-fledged prompt for our Lovable replicate or Lovable copy. So you can see I write this much prompt, this much detailed prompt for Lovable. And let's see now we can create Lovable clone or not, because I also want to participate in the Lovable contest and win something prize. Let's see we can do it or not. I just copy this prompt from here, go to our Lovable and paste the exact same prompt. I also upload few images of Lovable to give us more information about the Lovable. Like you can see, this is the images I click inside the Lovable. Now I just write one more line in that so I can upload these images and you want to analyze them and create a full-fledged software for me. You can see how detailed I write this prompt. I just send it and let's see it can create that software for me or not. I'm very excited to clone Lovable itself. I spent too much time to create this much detailed prompt. So make sure you just click the subscribe button so you get similar type of content every single day. So let's wait for some time to get result from Lovable. Okay, now Lovable give us results and it's surprisingly too much close. and you can see right now it will clone lovable itself. I know this front end looks too much bad, but we can fix it, so don't worry about that. We just want to see how it give us results. If we click here, it will give us all the features what lovable give us. Also we can attach files here, import from Figma, and this all is working. I don't know what is this. I think this is public or private, and let's see it will work or not. I just give it a prompt. I just give it a simple prompt, create a landing page for photography. Okay, it's not working. It will show you processing your request with Gemini, so it's not working. So let's update it and make it working. In just a single prompt, it will did too much good job, and now we want to upgrade it and make it more realistic and working. So I just give it a prompt. Firstly, fix the front end and create the same front end as the reference image. Now we want to make it happen. It don't give us the right front end, so that's why now we will integrate our backend and LLM in our application. So I just click here, allow. And now in just a single click, it will add the full backend in our application, add the LLM in your application, and all of the thing. We don't want to do anything right here. We just click a single button, allow, and it started and integrate all of the thing in our application. Now it's available. It store our database and storage, user authentication, backend function, and all of the thing. Now let's see it's working or not. I will give it a prompt, and it's not working. You can see, just say processing your request, and so just give it another prompt. Okay, I just type a simple prompt. So when we click to send, open a new interface like the reference image. I want to attach my reference images. I just select these two images, and it should write the code using Gemini API and build the software for us. I don't know how it's going to work, but let's see it's work or not. I hope it will be work, because our tokens are already vanished. Only 0.2 tokens are remaining. If it not work, we can't do anything, and we just want to stop here. But you will see how we just click a single button and it will do all of the thing for us, build the full backend, LLM, and all of the thing. We don't want to do anything. It set up all the things like creating and manage user logins with zero hassles. So that's amazing. Now let's see how it's work and create it or not. It will automatically enable AI in our application. It can chat, generate images, text analysis, and all of the thing with zero setup. It added Gemini API right here. I don't give it Gemini API. It will do it in backend, and it will don't cost me a single penny. Now it created that for us and use Gemini 2. Flash, the currently free versions, for creating and writing the code for us. Let's see it's working or not. This is our last chance, and our tokens are already vanished. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's now working. I give it a simple prompt, create a landing page for photography, and it started to writing the code, and right here it will show us the preview. Let's see what happen next, and it will create it or not. Okay, it will write the code for us. You can see here, when we click here, you can see the code is already written, and it will write too much code. And here also it will give us generated a modern. It will also send us response, and let's see it will create it or not in previous section. Why it's not working? Okay, it's not working. It will write the full prompt, but I don't know where I can see the live preview. I want to see the preview, but maybe its preview is not working. So let's give it another prompt. Okay, I just give it a prompt. I can't see the preview of our application, and let's see it will update it or not. It will start return generating the code and update the code from here. And until now it's worked perfectly. It will send us the response and all of the thing, but the only mistake and the biggest mistake is it will don't give us the preview. It added all of the thing, the code, preview, publish button, GitHub, invite, and all of the thing. But if we can't see the preview, it don't make any sense. So we can't see the preview. It tried the complete prompt, but we can't see the preview. Then we fail to rebuild Lovable itself. So that's how we fail rebuilding Lovable itself in Lovable. But if you want to see the part 2 of this video where we build completely Lovable from starting to finish, what's working, so just comment me in the comment section part 2, and I will create a new video where we create lovable from start to finish, and I'm 100% sure it will work properly and create software for us. If you want that video, just comment me below and I will create that. Before that, just subscribe this YouTube channel, because when we upload that video, you want to get the notification. So make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. So that's it for today, guys. I will meet you in the next video. But before that, if you want to see how I created a $34 million fitness app called Cal AI from start to finish, just click on this video where I create that application from start to finish. So I will meet you in that video. Just click here and watch it.